All right, guys. You know, for some reason, I've been shopping for a tent. This is Tech Made Easy, and yeah, I know, tents aren't really tech, but I think the prices have come down. And this specific tent, what I like about it is it's an instant tent. This guy comes up pretty easy. Now, I've not built this yet. I just took it out of the bag. This is a Coleman instant cabin, they call it, 6-person tent. Okay, they say it goes up in 60 seconds. Yeah, we'll see that. It says it fits 2 queen air beds. All right, so WeatherTech can resist 35 miles an hour, wind and rain tested, tall and roomy. Now, the reason why I bought this too is because it's tall. I'm going to be using this to kind of have some fun with my Ego power inverter. You know, the 3000 watt. I'm going to bring it out and plug a couple of things in, and again, you know, show some real-time uses. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and start the process of getting this set up. All right. So let's try to get you the best camera view. All right, and let me grab this guy. Okay. All right, I'm gonna open this up. Open this up. So I got the straps off. All right, and the goal is to just like lay this open. Okay. You know, and I'll tell you, I really like this instant, but I didn't want to get a generic instant. So I'm just spreading this for now. I've kind of got the idea already down. Okay. So I'll pull back and show you as I move forward kind of what this looks like. I think I gotta spread out all the legs, so give me a second. You won't have the best view yet, but I think the goal is, if I got this right, I've done this a few times with different ones, that the goal is you spread your legs out. You know how just gotta spread your legs to make it ready. I've got my assistant here helping me. Okay, now to my knowledge, these legs, you see these legs? Basically, all I need to do is extend each of them. Okay, so that's extended. Let me go to the next one. That's extended. And you'll see how quick this thing goes up. Okay, I got one more. Take those and put those somewhere. Thank you. I mean, guys, did you see that? Did that take long? I mean, I didn't put the stakes down yet, but look at that thing. Seriously, did that take long? I mean, all I got to do now is really tie it down, but you're done. You know? Now, let's see. Just trying to give you. So that's one of the doors with the screen. You can see that. Again, this has to probably be a little more spread, and obviously when you tie it down, look at that. Well, that's pretty cool. Now, I'm 6'2". I'm going to go inside and just kind of see if I stand in it. That, you know, would I actually be able to stand? Wow, yeah, I can stand. You know, obviously on the top it's angled in a little bit, but from all the way up here, you've got your light hook, which is cool. You've got your windows, fresh air, and you can close it if it's going to rain. You've got your accessory bag for phones and stuff. But you got 4 windows all around. One entrance, one simple entrance. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you got your window for your door. You got your window for your door. You got your, yeah, this is nice. This is the one I'm keeping out of all the ones I bought. I wanted to get one to kind of have some fun and, like I said, show off the Ego inverter. Kind of put a bed in here and have a TV in here. So let me get out. And I'm not going to stake it down, but check that out. The Coleman 6-person instant cabin. It's also listed as instant tent. That's a nice size. I'll tell you that I like that I can stand in it. I just, for some reason, that was the big thing there. And these poles, all you got to do is you lay this out, you pull these poles apart, and you just snap them in place. You do nothing with the top, which is really cool. So, you can see the top. You don't do anything with that. It just kind of locks everything in place. Some of the other ones, you actually have to mess with the top, and you have to, but this one's too high to do that. You know what I mean? So, really nice. And then you've got vents up here that you can use for fresh air. So it's fresh air vents, okay. Stitching looks pretty good. This is supposed to really be like, you know, for the wind, really strong. You got your tie down straps. Okay. Just trying to see what I'm missing. I'm gonna double check this too to make sure there's no defects so I can keep it. But yeah, look at that. I like the whole wind, you know, like kind of a ventilation. Man, tents have come a long way. You know, check that out. Is that the coolest thing since sliced bread? And I mean, you remember when sliced bread came out, right? Now, the other thing too that's kind of helpful, I guess, is, you know, the floor is definitely kind of raised a little bit here, I guess. So, you know, if you are surrounded by water, but here's your poles, you know, to stake that down. They say on this one you don't need a zip fly. You don't need a top for rain because it's built in. But some people recommend that you actually put it on, and you can buy an optional one. So, you know, look, I'm not a huge camper. I am definitely looking to camp. But there you go, guys. All right. So with that, I hope you liked it. I wasn't actually thinking about doing a video on tents, but I'm going to be showing off the Ego inverter, the 3000 watt, hanging out here watching TV with lights on, and I don't know what else, maybe a mini refrigerator. That would be cool. But if you like it, the thumbs up definitely helps our channel. I will put the Ego playlist right up here, okay? And I will also put the Tech Made Easy logo on the upper right hand corner. If you click that, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you in the family. With that, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. And please comment questions. I'll make sure I include the model in the description.